We are in a '09 Toyota Camry. We about to reset the maintenance light. These Toyotas be having these cars right here. That's me need an oil change. So let's reset this light. First things first, we're gonna use this right here to get to what we gotta do. Now let's go to trip A. Shut the car off on trip A. Hold this. Turn the car on. Do not start it. Alright, let's do it. You see? Wait till it's all done. Should be flashing like that. Then gone. Now let's reset trips. Alright, you can reset this. And you can reset this. Yep. And that is it. Till next time. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, because I got more videos coming. Alright? Later.